y'all, when I was at the conference last week, I got a download. Oh my God, I'm so excited because y'all know I'm trying to help 1 million people, right? Y'all know I'm trying to help 1 million people. Well, what came to me was, okay, hey, Gift Basket, how you doing? I'm like, I've helped so many people, but I don't know all the people I've helped. I don't know, right? Because I'm not asking people, I'm not going up to people and be like, did you make money from what y'all don't do that. You know what I'm saying? That's not how I get down. So, what I came up with was, I created during my meditation when I was at the conference, I came up with a wealth building tracker. Hey Lisa, how you doing? I created a wealth building tracker. And what comes in the deal? I'm interested. All right. So for the people who are in the school community, since y'all are already in there, you're going to get the wealth builder tracker, and you're going to get access to like the people who aren't in the WBIC, if they're not in the WBIC, all the trainings, because I'm going to do I've already scripted out, there's 7 workshops I've already created that's going to teach you how to do the wealth builder. Because I'm saying, hey, Beck, how you doing? I'm serious. When I say I'm trying to help 1 million people get to this bag, get to this million, I'm serious. But I was like, how do I know I'm helping the people? So the meditation, the download I got was to create a tracker. And that way I literally help people and they figure out based on their whatever they're dealing with. So for example, I got some people that want to put in $200 a month for their wealth building. Okay. All right. Hey, Ann, I got some people that want to put in $500 a month. I got people that, that want to create their pathway to wealth, and they want to put in, and if you've been in my, Guaranteed Profits class, you kind of know what I'm talking about, right? The calculator. So what I did was I created one that has all these extra things. And so anybody who's in the WBIC, the training. So if you're not in WBIC, the trainings are going to be like this much money. If you're in the WBIC, the trainings are going to be this much, okay? Because you guys are going to get, anybody who's in WBIC, you guys are going to get first in to all the training. So y'all know if I do a monthly training, it might be $150. For y'all, it ain't going to be $150. It might be something like, 8 half off or something like that for you guys, because you're already in the WBIC. So I'm giving first dibs and dabs to everybody who's in WBIC, okay? And then everybody who isn't, they just going to pay, the regular price I normally charge. So there's going to be so many things that I'm coming up with. Like I said, I got 7 trainings already ready to rock and roll. I got another 2 or 3 different ideas of what I'm going to do. So y'all, I'm so excited. Oh my God. So I just got like 2 more things to add into it. And after that, I get to roll that out kind of quickly. So I'm super excited. So with that being said, let me say again, if you are not in the Wealth Builder Inner Circle, you want to go to my TikTok shop and you want to click on that meow.